part exceeds its eighth part by 1 is means if you divide that number by 7 and if you divide that number by 8, then the difference between the two is 1. So let the number be x. So seventh part is what? X upon 7. Eighth part is what? X upon 8. But what is given? These two parts difference is 1. So x upon 7 minus x upon 8 equals to 1. Now remember always x upon 7 minus x upon 8. Don't do x upon 8 minus x upon 7. Why? Because who is bigger? If you divide a cake into 7 parts, so one part will be bigger, or if you divide the cake into 8 parts, that one part will be bigger. Always put a logic in the first place. Okay? So 7 parts would be bigger. So x upon 7 minus x upon 8. Solve this. Cross multiply 8x minus 7x upon 56 equals to 1. Take 56 on this side, it becomes x. So x is 56. So the number is 56. Next, the perimeter of a rectangle is numerically equal to the area of the rectangle. If width of the rectangle is 3 upon 4 centimeter, then the length is, it means perimeter is equal to area and width is given as 3 by 4 centimeter. This is a mixed fraction. Okay. So first convert 3 by 4 into improper fraction. 4 to the 8 plus 3, 11. 11 by 4. So width is what? 11 by 4. Now we want length. Now what is given? Perimeter is equal to area. First find the perimeter. Here, width you got 11 by 4. Let length be x. So perimeter is what? Of a rectangle. Rectangle perimeter is 2 into L plus B. Length plus breadth. So 2 into x plus 11 by 4. And area is what? Length into breadth. So 11 by 4 into x. Okay. But both are equal. It's given. So 2 into x plus 11 by 4 equals to 11x by 4. So solve this. 2x plus 11 to the 22 by 4 equals to 11x by 4. Then 2x, this 11x by 4 on this side, 22 by 4 on this side. So this becomes minus and 22 by 4 also becomes minus, right? Next, 4 to the 8 minus 11 minus 3x by 4 equals to same minus 22 by 4. Minus minus cancelled. So 3x equals to 22, x equals to 22 by 3. That is the answer of the length. That's what we want. Download Yoguru app from Play Store to get its videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.